Assalamu alaikum brothers, sisters. Today we are here in the real market, one of international market. There's a lot of great things from different country. They also have something halal meat, halal sausage. We're going inside and give you a tour in this real market. Sometimes I come here shopping. I said let's make a video for this market. How you doing, brother? سلام علیکم.
سلام، خوبی شما؟
حال شما خوب؟ بخیر؟
شما خوبی؟
زنده باشین، تشکر. We're just coming to take a video and tour for people in all around the world, see the real market. You have a lot of items from different country, yeah?
Yes, most of them from European people.
European.
Europe, Iran, yes.
Okay, awesome. Also, do you have...
Fresh pistachio, that one is seasonal.
Look at this.
It's coming middle of the September to end of the October.
Okay.
And this one, if you want to eat, it mostly has to be remove the soft skin.
Okay.
Open it, and you can pluck.
Fresh pistachio.
That one is fresh, nothing added. Just it's from tree.
Wow, so delicious. Let's go see. Look at the cookie. Those cookie, whole Persian traditional cookie here. It's coming from here or from LA? Or
From LA.
they are all coming.
From LA.
They all coming from LA. How about this one?
That cookie with the nuts on it, walnuts, hazelnuts, and some nuts on top of this one. They call kosher cookies.
Kosher cookie.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go inside the aisle to aisle and see what you guys have here. Start from this aisle.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
I have a Persian ice cream.
Persian ice cream. Okay.
I have the saffron pistachio, pomegranate chocolate, faluda. I have a saffron with the cream, two kind.
Okay.
And it's going that size. It's a bigger size. It's the same other one, but it's bigger size, middle size and large size.
Okay. I love this section.
This is the kashk.
کشکی قنادی یزدی یا؟
بهجت یزدی.
بهجت یزدی. Wow.
بله.
Awesome. I love this one. Also the Lebanon.
لبنه بله.
Lebanon.
Some people they call چکه. In the Farsi we call ماست کیسه‌ای.
Awesome.
That one is the breakfast cream, and some people they call قشته.
قشته.
Okay. Those are organic farmers cheese.
Okay.
Came from Latvia, has a 9%, 15%, or 0% fat.
Okay.
Most people using for the baking.
Okay.
This kind of the cheese came from Armenia.
Okay.
Especially that one is very delicious. I try.
Okay.
This section, I have a carrot salad, cabbage salad, herring, yogurt drink.
Okay.
And this drink is especially drink for the Russian people. They call kvass.
Kvass for Russian.
They made from the wheat usually.
Okay. دوغ مشکی. Wow.
It with gas on it. It's a
With gas?
Yes, carbonated.
Okay.
That one is carbonated. Has a three kind. I am out the two kind. But the best one is this one. Onion eggplant, mint parsley for خورشت کرفس.
Okay.
I have vegetables for sabzi kuku. They're making the kuku sabzi. And I have a gourmet sabzi, non-fried for gourmet sabzi.
Okay.
Or I have gourmet sabzi fried. This is easier, just you have to add the beans and dry lemon and something like that one. I have a sabzi polo we usually using for New Year, for Persian New Year, or we make a sabzi polo with fish.
Okay.
And I have vegetables for the ash.
Okay. Awesome. Pickle section. They were really delicious. I can usually get this one. I love it. I really like it. And the other thing, they also have different kind of pickle from different country. Spice section, different kind of spice.
I have this pickle from Sima companies.
Okay.
We call in the Farsi turshi liter.
Turshi liter, yeah?
Yes,
okay.
mix it up with several kind of the vegetables, same the eggplant, carrot, onion, mint, garlic, vinegar, salt. We using with the lunch or dinner with for side food.
Okay.
We call the turshi mix.
Turshi mix, huh?
Yes, those are is same we use it. It's very famous for Iranian people, turshi.
Okay.
And I have other some kind is other side. Those are is the Polish salads. This came from Poland.
Oh, this is Poland.
Poland,
wow.
Yes. That one is the cabbage with the carrot.
Okay.
It's side food is very famous for them.
Okay.
It's same kind but doesn't have the any what do you call it? Carrot on it.
Carrot, okay.
Those are I have some mushroom from Russia. Those are is very famous nameko or mix. And this section is here. It came from all the way. It came from Bulgaria, and they're using for the side food, especially for pasta they're making.
They're imported from Bulgaria, yeah?
Yes, that one is imported from Bulgaria. They're using for this, they're making for the side food for the pasta or mixed up with everything.
Okay.
That one came from Armenia, is the okra, marinated
okra.
okra.
Okay.
Okra marinade is very, they like it. This kind of the soup usually the people eating for the winter time.
Okay.
Especially borscht.
Okay.
Is very famous for the winter time, and they say they like it too much.
Okay.
And this most stuff here is halal, doesn't have anything on it.
Okay.
It's halal.
Okay.
And if you want very famous one, is this one is very famous, the eggplant caviar.
Okay.
They spread on the bread and add something to eat. I have some dolma.
Okay.
From import.
Okay.
With rice. It's vegetarian food. I have a pickle of the pepper, hot pickle.
Okay.
I have this one they using for marination for the meat, for the what you call sweet pickle red pepper.
Okay.
Especially those are the Polish people they use.
The Polish people.
Poland people, Polish.
Oh, Polish. Okay.
And that pickle came from Germany.
Oh, it's Germany.
Germany. This one is the Zarnin Persian style pickle, came from Turkish.
Oh, this come from Turkish.
Turkish.
Yeah? Okay.
Is Zarnin pickle. That one is came from Turkish. Is a smaller size.
Okay. Okay. This section, when you go there, you see a lot of things you will eat like long time ago.
Cookie is the oatmeal cookie.
Okay.
This oatmeal cookie came from Russia.
Okay.
It's very famous for them, especially this brand. It's old recipe for them. This wafer cake came from Russia and very famous brand Mishka.
Mishka, okay.
Is very famous for them. This cookie, same, especially chocolate style.
Okay.
The red one, and those is the what you call? Is the German bread.
This is German bread, yeah.
It came from Germany.
Okay.
Those are usually the diabetes people. They eating this one because doesn't have that add anything, and
okay,
most of them they made it from the barley.
Okay. Okay.
Those are came from Ukraine, and those are is the kvass I show you before, the small size. This is big bottle.
Okay.
Those are is zephyr. The Russian people they call zephyr, but is a regular name marshmallow is halal.
Okay.
And halal, and that's one is the kosher.
Okay.
Those are is the marmalade halal.
Okay.
That one is other kind of the jelly slice. This one cowberry. This one is the fruit mix. Wild berries jam.
Oh, what? Okay.
Mulberry, white mulberry, walnuts. That one came from Armenia.
Uh-huh.
They have a whole fruit on it. Some
Okay.
people. I have a ginger cookie with several tastes. It came from Latvia, I think so. And I have a tea bag. Some herbs from Russia is medicine, Russian medicine. I have a syrup, several kind of the syrup. Tomato paste for sadaf, zergut, or this one came from Moldova.
Okay.
This juice came from what you call from morse juice from Poland. Is very famous one is cranberry juice. Has a strong smell, and they're using for the salads.
Okay.
Gingerbread with the plum. That one came from Poland. The halal mortadella
Okay.
is beef halal. That one they made in the USA, Los Angeles. I have
Roma.
this one is a fine sausage halal, has a halal market somewhere here halal.
Okay.
And I have a chicken for this one, or veal, but I am out right now.
Oh, you're out. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. I think this is so delicious. This one, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the European halal market, Royal halal market in Northern California. Have a great time. Please subscribe our channel and support your halal food tester. We're going to country, city to city, try find out halal market, halal restaurant, anything is halal. We're going there and take video for you guys. Have a great time. Ya Allah. Assalamu alaikum.